Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to dive into how we can bypass the security of HTTPS and downgrade it to HTTP, enabling us to capture sensitive information like login credentials and passwords. Remember, this is for educational purpose only. So far we have focused on how man-in-the-middle attack work on HTTP websites. The reason why this is possible because HTTP send data in plain text, which means anyone intercepting it can easily read and even modify the content. However, most websites now use HTTPS, which secure data by encrypting it, making it unreadable to anyone trying to intercept it. HTTPS use SSL or TSL protocol to do this, making it extremely difficult for attackers to break through. Since breaking HTTPS encryption is complicated, the easiest way around it by downgrading the connection from HTTPS to HTTP. This allows us, as the man in the middle, to intercept and read the data in the plain text. BetterCAP makes this process much easier for us. There is a caplet in BetterCAP specially designed for this, but it does not replace all HTTPS links properly. That's why I have customized this caplet to work as expected, and I have included it for you in the resource. Now let's set it up. First, download the HSTSS hijack.zip file from the resource and extract it. Once extracted, we need to move the caplet file to BetterCAP's default location, where it stores caplet. Now I'll copy the folder, copy, and open path by pressing Ctrl L and navigate to a caplet file to BetterCAP's default location. So type user local share BetterCAP caplets. As you can see, HSTSS hijack folder. It is a default folder. Now I will delete the folder and delete the existing buggy caplet and replace it to our customized one. So I will delete it and paste here our customized caplet. And before we start using the caplet, we also need to modify our sniffer caplet from the previous lesson. This caplet runs the ARP spoofing and sniffing commands, open it in a lib page, and add the following line that net.sniff.local true and save it. This ensures BetterCAP will capture all the data even if it thinks the traffic is local. If we don't do this, BetterCAP might think the intercepted data belongs to our computer and ignore it. Once we have made this modification, you are ready to go. In the next video, I will walk you through how to use this caplet to downgrade HTTPS connection to HTTP. And we will see how we can sniff sensitive data like usernames, passwords, and URLs. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will demonstrate the live attack. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.